Today, the moon continues in Capricorn, focusing on the practical, how we need to get organized, get things in order, support our foundations, and put things together in a way that will help us on our day-to-day journey. I'm Marina Orms here with your Astro Vibe for Thursday, May 7th. And early in the day, Pacific time at least, around 7-ish a.m., the moon forms a square to Mars in Aries. And if you might recall, Mars recently had an exact square to Jupiter. So that creates a T-square. The moon opposite Jupiter in Cancer, and both squaring Mars at 90 degrees angle to Mars. So we've got that that energy of Mars creating that pressure and that tension with emotional, watery Cancer and having expansive Jupiter in that sign. And Mars, of course, is that drive that will move forward no matter what. So something is coming to a head, something is there in the form of an outburst or something, some pressure being released. And so that was exact on Monday, but the moon activates it again today. So really coming to the surface of what we are processing emotionally that might be also flushing something to the surface with Mars station, not Mars, but Pluto's station to go retrograde, exact station on Wednesday, May 6th. So Pluto now technically retrograde, although really still in that station because it takes that really slowing down and then changing direction takes some time. So Pluto is at the underworld. We are dealing with the underworld this week, and something coming to the surface with that Mars energy driving the car into the wall. I don't know. It's something that needs to get flushed out. And so just like that pressure, and the cork popping on the champagne bottle, we've got something getting flushed out, some pressure being released. And in that process, we are opening to a deeper, more authentic, more truthful and honest way of being and living our lives. And so it's an uncomfortable process. It can be challenging and bumpy, and all of the emotions surfacing and the reactivity and the irritability and all of that. But at the same time, it's like we are flushing the sludge from below, clearing it out, flushing it out, like getting things in order so that we can be more lean, mean, and clean going forward. So if you've been feeling that, trust that process of things moving, things clearing out. Some of it old sludge, whether that's energetic sludge, emotional sludge, the literal sludge of cleaning deeper into the corners of your bathroom or your garage, or right, like just actually getting into those deeper places where something has really accumulated and hasn't seen the light of day in long enough that it's gunk. It's the stuck gunk, and we are flushing that out. So that is the T-square that happens early in the day, and that moon continues through Capricorn. It will be in Capricorn all day Pacific time, shifting into Aquarius just after midnight on Friday, early Friday morning. So Capricorn moon today is about putting down our roots, getting ourselves established in our foundations So, really feeling that energetic sense of connecting to the earth, getting your feet on the ground, putting those roots down. If you were a plant, you would want your roots to go really deep, or wide or broad, or whatever kind of plant you might be, but you want that the roots are essential. So you need that healthy root system to nourish you, to support you, to feed you. And the leaves are healthier when the roots are strong, right? And the plant itself is healthier when those roots that we can't see, that are really hiding below the surface, they're really important. So what are the parts of you that are really important, that need that attention, that foundational structure, infrastructure, bolstering, resilience? What does that look like for you? What are you putting in place? How are you getting organized or creating systems, or maybe clearing out the sludge or the gunk to create that supportive feeling to move forward? Because whatever is moving forward is where the power really is. But in order to do that moving forward, we have to support these foundations. So those are my thoughts for today. Those are some of the energies we are working with today. Thank you for being here. You can learn more about me at transformationalastrology.com. Grab a free account there. I've got more to share with you right now. There are tons of those guest speaker interviews from my Emergence guest series, all really fabulous. Not, even though it's not February anymore, they're still highly relevant. So you may have missed some. Go see what you might have missed. Check those out. Thank you again for being here. And I'm Marina Orms. Thank you for subscribing to this YouTube channel. I appreciate your support, and I will see you next time with more astrology for unshakable self-care. Bye for now.